One, sponsored display is not really new. Product display ads have been out since 2017. So we typically always recommend starting low funnel product targeting. Just like product targeting and all the other ad types, you have a lot of control over it. You can refine, you have control over your bids per product. Very similar to keyword targeting, does really well, especially if you have any type of competitive advantage. You also have the ability to write copy. Even if you don't have a price point competitive advantage, you can use your copy to really call out what you have in terms of color, longevity, whatever you may have, you can write that within your, copy. So sponsored display product targeting is typically where we start. Sponsored display category targeting is absolutely amazing because it's data collection. Just like running an auto campaign, you can really collect really fantastic data, especially when categories are much more precise. Now, as you go into audience targeting, this is Amazon allowing us to dip our toes into some DSP type, targeting. So you're moving up the funnel. Your goals need to be a little bit different. My main issue with remarketing is we don't have any control over the window. It's a 30-day look back window. Amazon is negating anyone who purchased. So if you have a consumable or replenishable, it's probably, it's going to still remarket anyone who viewed your listing but didn't purchase, but it's not near the control we have a DSP, which Brian will be able to dive into really well. But it's just much more top of the funnel. And then as you look at, views remarketing for competitor products, it's not negating anyone who purchased. So if you have a high ticket item and you're remarketing someone who already purchased your competitor, they're not going to purchase your product as well, potentially, especially if it's something that someone only buys once. So the lack of control makes the audience targeting on sponsored display not near as fantastic as DSP. But as with anything Amazon releases, don't start it and then give up on it when results are terrible. Amazon's going to get better. They're going to allow us to refine targeting more. Their AI is going to optimize. So it's going to get better. But as for right now, I always recommend product targeting, category targeting, audience views, interest searches, and then look at your remarketing and prospecting campaigns. But